Hey guys, well I have, like I said, I've been a little AWOL here lately. Of course, I went to the Pasco County Fair all last week, and you know, doing the show's a little tough on me, so I took a bit of a mental holiday this week. But it's haven't been sitting on my hind end. I had one of those manic phases, and just couldn't get something out of my head. And when I originally wrote the first book, included was a lot of stuff. I had to actually pare it down. And one of the things that I really wanted to include but just didn't have the time in the room was making charcoal. And so it's just been on my brain and I could not get it out. So after a few trips over to the scrapyard and some engineering, I want to show you my new charcoal burner. So this is a kind of a prototype. I've seen this done before, not on this particular scale except for some over in England. This is a diesel tank and a propane tank, lots of boom, and we have the first charge in place, and we're getting her fired up. Now we're still getting a little bit of rain out here, hoping it's going to pass here in a second, but gonna have some charcoal. But got a little video of this bad boy working coming up later, and like I said, gonna continue to take this weekend to get my brains back together, and then we've got a lot to talk about this coming week. Big things going down. Some new plans have been made, and yeah, good stuff. But just want to give you guys a quick heads up. Check you guys a little bit.